Hello guys. So for today subject, as you know, each week I do a subject and I try to do my best to explain about the subject, and I receive questions and I discuss with you all these things. Okay, so today I do it for the first time. I always speak about strategy, but a lot of people, they don't understand what's this strategy, what are the rules, so for me right now, I will try to explain how to build strategy for yourself. Now, I'm not giving you the strategy, okay? So understand that. I'm trying to explain to you how to do it. Now you search, you practice, and you do a lot of stuff, and then you can have your own strategy. Hello, wise man, how are you? Now, just to tell you that this week was excellent in the market, although the whole market doesn't move that much. But we are from 50%, beginning I think from February or January, 50% profits. Now we're at 63. You can check down for the information for the information of our trading account. So this week we got 13% profit, although the market is not doing well. So what does it mean? It means our stocks that I have been doing good. Now let's go now speak about the strategy. So as you might know, guys, I will try to do my best to explain everything. When I finish, and then I go to your questions, and then I answer your questions. Okay? Saba, thank you very much. Now, before we see the rules or how to build strategy, we try to see what is a trading strategy. Now, please, when you go online, Wikipedia or Investopedia, or I don't know where you go, they give you the formal wording, the formal definitions, and sometimes it will be difficult for you to understand really what it is. So strategy, it is very, very simple. A trading strategy, it means, hello Fabian, a strategy in general, it is just the way you trade stocks. As simple as that. Okay? It's just the way you do it. Now, a strategy, you should have rules that you have made through the years of your experience. Thank you very much, Top Series, for coming. Okay? So you should have rules to build a trading strategy. First, when we say trading, what does it mean, trading? Trading, as compared to investing, is you should buy and sell in a certain time. If you are doing day trading, it means you buy and you sell during the day, before the market opens, after the market opens, during the day. It means the day. It means before 8 o'clock p.m. at night, you should exit. This is day trading. So in the day trading, you should make a strategy for that day. Okay? And you apply it for each day during the year. Okay? And now, if you are doing, this is about stocks. But to understand that there are some markets that, for example, they open 11 the whole day, the whole night, like only 1 hour which is closed, like futures, for example, or forex, currency pairs. So understand that you have a big time to do whatever you want to do. So since I speak always about stocks, so we try to focus on stocks only. So first, trading, we have a lot of ways to trade. So when you make a strategy, try to focus on which vehicle of trading you want to. Are you going to do scalping? Scalping, it means just a few seconds, few minutes, just to get some money and just to exit. Some people have been doing this. This is called scalping. Understand that scalping is a day trading, but it has some specific rules. Because it's quick, you don't stay that much, so it's different. And day trading, you can trade at any time. Most of the people, they trade in the morning from 9:30 to 11 or to 12. This where we have all the people, millions and millions on the whole world are trading on the same time. Especially in America here, 9:30 all the stocks move. Especially when there are news, either bad news or good news. So if you are a day trader, you should make a strategy, rules based on day trading techniques. Now, then we have what we call short-term trading, which is called swing trading. In swing trading, the time is longer. It's not anymore one day, so you should stay at night. Now, when you hold a stock at night, you have what we call an overnight risk, because you don't see what did happen to your stock. Okay? Top series, I will answer your questions about algorithm trading when I finish. So, but you can, guys, as always, ask questions while I am speaking, while I am explaining. If something is not understood, please ask the question, and when I finish all the information, I will go back and begin answering your questions. So it's time to drink some coffee. Okay. So the first thing is you should see what kind of trading you want to do, and then you make a strategy for that kind of trading. So strategy for scalping, it is not a strategy for swing trading or what we call short-term trading. It's not, because the techniques should not be the same. The time frame is not the same. A lot of things that are not the same. Okay, so this is the first thing you should look. Now, since we have explained what is a strategy, it is just the way you trade. Okay, that's why you will find thousands and thousands and millions of strategies. Each trader tries to have some rules that fits his personality. Okay, so there is no one strategy. Yes, there are some basics of trading. This is normal. I will speak about this later. Basics. But each strategy has more rules that are different. Okay? Now, we know what is a strategy. We know what kind of trading you want to do: swing trading, or day trading, or scalping, or what we call speculating. It's also based on news, based on information. It should have another strategy. And for me, I have made a speculation trading strategy this year. I have never done a speculation strategy in my life, because I don't follow news, I don't follow information, I don't. But this year, because of coronavirus, I have made a strategy in an ebook, and I showed to the guys who are, I think, a golden subscription and silver subscription. I showed it to them, and we got a lot of gap ups, and we got a lot of stocks. We have still one stock that I am waiting to have a gap up, but I don't know when it will have a gap up, but I'm not sure, but I expect a gap up in the future. Okay? Now, so We have spoken about what is trading, what is a strategy, and then what kind of strategy or day trading or what kind of trading strategy you want to do. Then if you know all this, and then you can go to the next step. Okay? Now, you should build rules. Rules, it means it tells you what to do exactly. There is no prediction in trading. You don't predict. You should have rules. Now, the first rule is what kind of stocks you are going to trade. Some people like penny stocks. Some people like over the counter. It means OTC. It means, and I know maybe most of you know what is it OTC and the difference between common stocks in exchanges. So I will just give you a very, very quick thing. OTC, it's a market. It's like not regulated market. Not regulated, what does it mean? It means the companies, when they list their stock there, they are not obliged to give you information about the company. And you know that, and you know it's very hard. A company tells you, okay, we are making $1 billion each year, but it might not making 1 million, but they say 1 billion, just to make you buy their stock or to invest in that stock or to trade in that stock. So it's dangerous. That's why a lot of people who like risk, who like a lot of trouble, they go there. But most of the time, they will be wiped out. Because there, we have scammers. We have manipulators. You find a stock that it is $100, they can put it to $1 if they want. And you lose all your money in one night or a gap down or gap up. Okay? But sometimes when some people make some money, they stay thinking they can make it, but most of these people will lose their money trying. Okay. Other people, you should know what kind of stocks. For example, for me, I mostly do all the stocks, but for me, in general, I stay with fast stocks, runners, what we call the leaders. A leader is a stock that it is better than the industry. It's going good. These stocks I spot and I follow and I trade and I can make high percentage. Now, right now, in these 2 or 3 months or 4 months when we begin with trading, we begin with a zero. I think in February, we are at 63%. Okay? But we have a big account, like 100,000. Now we are at 163,000 in this 5 or 4. I don't know exactly when we begin, but I think we begin in February. So if you want to see all the trades that we have done, we didn't do that much trades because when the stock is moving good, we don't change it until it is bad. Hello Uber forever. Now, so you should know what kind of stocks. Are you going to do real estate stocks, technology stocks, drug stocks, energy stocks? It means whatever stocks, healthcare stocks. It means what stocks do you like to trade? Some people, they specialize. Some people, they use only one stock and they trade it the whole year. It depends. It depends what is the stocks that you like and you want to trade. And each kind of stocks, you can make a strategy. Or there isn't a strategy for all, but understand that some stocks do better than other stocks. So stocks are not the same. For example, I will tell you an example to understand this. You buy 2 stocks at the same price. Let's say one is a technology stock. The second one is a bank. Okay? So, understand that most of the time, not all the time, okay, most of the time, real estate stocks, banks stocks, brokers stocks, all this stuff, they don't go that fast. They don't. But you can find technology stocks, healthcare stocks or drug stocks, biotechnology or other. You see that these stocks move so fast. Okay, big or small. So bigger stocks, it can move so fast. Even if it is a big stock, like for example, technology stock like Tesla. It was, for example, 200. After a few months, it goes to 900. So this stock, although it is big, it's $200 a share, but it goes to 900. Okay? Because these kind of stocks, all the people like them, they go fast. That's why a lot of people trade them. Okay? You find other companies, you stay 1 year, and you get 5% or 10%, or maybe you lose some money in this stock. So, for me, I don't trade slow stocks. I hate them because I know them. I have traded thousands and thousands of stocks since 2010. So, when I look at a stock, I know how it will move according to its movement, how it moves. So I'm not sure how much percentage I can get. This I don't know, but I am sure that this stock, if it has a trend, it will move very, very good. Okay, and I know other stocks that they don't go nowhere. So it's just you waste your time, because for me, my time is so precious. So I want just to choose the best stocks in the market and the fastest markets, the fastest stocks, which are called the leaders. The leader is a stock. It moves better than the industry. If you go, guys, if you have my training, go to training level 3. How to search for stocks using an industry index. These I speak about my strategy and how to find these stocks. It's very easy, simple strategy. Okay? Now, since now we have seen what kind of stocks, the second rule or the third rule or whatever rule you want to be numbered is why to buy that stock. It means when you buy a stock, you should always answer this question: why you buy this stock and you don't buy another stock? You should answer that. It should be clear for you. So you should make a rule for that. Now, for me, I'm not going to give you my strategy, why I choose that stock. Okay? But for you, you should know why you buy this stock. The second thing is when to buy exactly the stock. Okay? So this is very, very important for you. Because when you see a chart, you tell yourself, if I bought here, I make 100% profit. Okay? But if I bought here, I have made only 50%. If I bought it here, I only make 10%. But if I bought it in another place, I'm losing 10%. You see that? So, where you buy a stock, it means when exactly you should have a strategy. You should, or I'm not saying you should, you must. It's not at random. It's not just you go online and some guy in the online, like wherever you find this guy, tomorrow buy this stock. Now, this is not strategy. It means you are playing, you are still gambling. You have no strategy. And this is a problem. Okay? So Uber Uber forever. I will answer your question later when I finish. How about the opposite side? What's the opposite side? It means you sell. Okay, let's continue, guys. As I told you before, I will explain everything. You ask questions, and then I come back and answer all the questions. Okay? So, when to buy is very, very important, and this has a link. Is how to search. It means if you know how to buy, you should know how to search for this kind of stocks. For me, for example, I have many rules on when to buy, according to the situation of the stock in the chart. Okay, so there are many ways to enter. I don't have only one way. I have many ways. So, in order to search, I have many ways to search. Okay? Depending on the market situation. If the market is falling, it's collapsing. Am I going to go long? No. Most of the time, no. The market is going down. All the stocks are shorted. People are selling their stocks. So how can I go and buy long? I will be crushed. Okay? So you should respect the market and you should understand what you are doing. Okay? Now, when you know when to buy, exactly, let's say today you find a stock in the afternoon at 3:30, you find a stock, you search, you have your own search, you find one. What you should do? Now here is the rule is to know what is your risk, and this is called stop loss. You must know where to exit if the stock is bad. A lot of people think when I speak about stop loss, they think that you should put it physically. It means you should go to the broker and put stop loss. No, you can, for example, put a mental stop loss. You say, okay, I bought it at $20. If it goes up, it's okay. I hold the stock. It's going good. What if the stock goes down? You should know exactly where to exit the stock. Now, if you don't want to, your strategy is weak and you will have problems in the future. Why? Because let's say you buy a stock at $20. Tomorrow it goes to 21. You have made $100 if you have bought 100 shares, which is very good. But the third day, the stock from 21, it goes to 15. It goes down. Maybe there is news or bad news for the company, or the CEO died, or the CEO they sue him for something, or I don't know what's happened to the company. It means anything that it is bad for the company. So, if from 21 you go to 15, it means you have already lost 25% of your real money, which is from $20, which is $2,000. You put in this stock, you lost $500. Now I ask you the question. What is your risk in this stock? Is it $500? Is it 25% you lose in this stock? So you should know this is a so important thing. And someone might think he said, for example, it is a bad thing to think that your stock is going to be down. Why you think about bad things? Think about, be optimistic. Okay? Try to be optimistic and don't think about losing money. Think always that you make money. This is a mindset. One guy, I saw him, he said to you, okay, just be optimistic. Don't worry about when you lose. This is stupid. It's like you go with a boat with other people and you go to the ocean when we have sharks and then you throw and you go swim there. It's this what you are doing. Okay? So trading is managing risk. That is trading. If you want to have a summary of trading, is managing risk. You should protect your money. This is the first job you have. Now profits, you will never know how much you get. So you don't try to think about how much I get. You will never know. There is no trend. Now, yeah, you buy the stock, it's going up, but that's why some people, when they put what we call profit target, they are wrong. I see someone, he sent me an email, and I have studied on to someone, and he told me, oh, okay, when you reach 10%, exit. Whatever happens. Don't worry, just exit. I told him, okay, I will give you now a stock that we have in our trading account. We try to do your example, what this guy teaches you, and we try to put it on our trading. Now this stock we got 210%. 210%. If a stock you buy a stock and it is good, like this stock, and you take only 10% and you exit, although you make money, but it is little money. So why you stop yourself from getting a lot of money? Why? It means that the rule of price target, or the rule of profit target, is a false rule in swing trading. And I'm telling you, I can give you thousands of proofs that your rule is false. If you continue like that, you will never make money. Okay? You will never make money because you stop yourself from getting the money from the market. The market is giving you money and you stop. And you say, no, I don't want money. I exit and I am okay with 10%. Okay? Okay. Now, top series, I'm going to that, about changing the stop loss. I'm going to that. This, what top series is speaking about, is to change stop loss. This has a relation with how to manage the stock. So in my training, I give the rule how to manage the stock when you buy it. It is when you buy a stock and you begin to make money from it. So how do you manage the stock? What you should do when you exit, when not to exit. I have I think in training level 20 in videos, I have a stock that I stayed 5 months. Last year we have stocks that we stayed 3 months. This year we are in stocks that are 3 months, 4 months, and we are still in. So you understand that I stay 3 months or 4 months or 5 months. Now what does it mean? It means my stock is giving me money more and more and more and more. Should I exit? No. Why should I exit? A stock is still giving me money. Now you tell me, where you put your stop loss? Where? Now I have techniques. When I see the trend has become weak, I have a technique, and then I put a stop loss where my technique said to me to put. And then if the stock reach that price, I exit automatically, and I take all my profits that I know I have. Because, for example, right now, let's say a stock, we get 60% up. 60%. So, the stock is still giving money. I see the market is good. So, I will try to see if next week the market is bad. I will try to see my techniques, where should I exit, and then I put stop loss. Physical stop loss. or I know where I exit. When it reach that, I will exit. But understand, guys, that this what we call mental stop loss. Mental, it means you don't put stop loss by your broker, the order to exit. You don't put it. But this is difficult for beginners and intermediate. You should be experienced trader to do that. Because believe it or not, you will be weak. When you have a stock, you buy it at $20 and then you have a gap down, you lose 25% or 30%, but you still stay. Oh, you say, okay, I have lost 25% or 30%, and let's see tomorrow what will the market give me. Maybe the stock will go up to what it was before. You begin to hope. You stay, and then the stock will drop more. This is because you are a beginner. You can't control your feelings in your business. That's why we make a strategy. Strategy shows you what to do exactly in any situation. If your strategy, you are trading stocks, and one time you don't know what to do, this means that your strategy is lacking rules. So here I'm just trying to explain to you what you should do in the future. Okay? So here I'm speaking about the whole trade. Okay? Then we go, it means you buy a stock and it doesn't work, you exit this stock. This is a rule. You should know where to exit. Now, another stock, you make money. Okay? You make money. And then, after 1 month or 2 or 10 days or whatever is the trend, you make some money and then you exit. This is another thing. Now, what is the other rules? The other rule is how to manage your account. This has nothing to do with a specific trade. It's all the account. How many stocks you buy? How many positions you should have? Why you have a few positions or you have many positions? Are you going to trade risky stocks, volatile stocks, or are you going to trade slow stocks? All this you should know. You should have a clear idea what we are doing. Okay? So it's not just you trade like that. We don't know. One time all your money you buy one stock. Second time you buy small stock with little money. So it means you don't have any strategy. You are just trading at random. When you're trading at random, you don't know what's going on in your account. And most of the people, when they begin to lose money through the trades, they don't check their account. Even though you check and you see that you are losing money, but you don't do anything to stop it. Stop losing money. You don't know how to do it because you don't have a clear strategy why you are losing money. Okay? Now, a lot of with what we call managing your account, which is another thing. So in general, there are other things that helps you trade. For example, the chart. The chart helps you to trade. So you should use a good chart for you that you are comfortable with, that it is easy for you. Okay? And you can put either candlesticks, or you can put a line, or you can put whatever you want to put. There is another thing. If you want to use indicators, moving averages, and volume, This is up to you. If you understand the indicator, you should understand the strategy why you buy at that price. Why? It's not just someone tells you, no, you should just apply the thing. It shows you what to buy. No. In general, you find that it is not true. It's not true. Because whenever you lose money, you don't know this strategy because it is a strategy. This is a strategy inside your strategy. So you are making a lot of strategies. When you mix strategies, you don't know why you are losing money or why you are making money. You don't know which is which. Okay? Now, when I tell guys that I don't use indicators, moving average indicators, I don't use them. I have used them, yes, when I was a beginner, yes. But after a while, I find they are useless. That's why I don't use them. If you see my chart when I'm explaining or something, I don't use indicators. I don't use moving averages. I don't use volume. People, they say, oh, the volume is going up, is going down. I don't use it because it doesn't give you no information. The only information, for example, volume, is if we have a lot of traders, yes or no. That's it. But it tells you where the stock is going to go. No. It doesn't forecast anything. All the indicators. That's why you should understand what are these indicators. Indicators, each indicator, it is a strategy made by a trader before. That guy, he make that strategy, small strategy, and he make money with it one time in for example, when the market is so good or the market is so bad. Some people, they make small strategies and they succeed. But this strategy doesn't work always. And what does he do with this strategy? He asks some guys who are working into the algorithm, and they are, because someone asked me, top series asks me about algorithm trading. They put it into a strategy with algorithm, and they sell it as a software or they rent it to you. And you think that a machine can make you money. This is not true. If Wall Street have a machine, a software that makes the money, do you think that they will give you this software for $300 or $1,000 or $500 as they sell it now, or they rent it to you? Do you think that you will be the stupidest or the person on earth? Wall Street will never give you something that you make money. Never. Because you are in a greedy market. People, they come to the market to make money. How can someone gives you this for free? That's why you find these indicators, you find them for free. Okay? And when they rent it to them, it is that money that you give them, this money, because they are doing a business, and then they have tax, and this is how they make their money. Because they know where they go to the market, they know 100% that it is risky business. Either you should know how to trade or you don't. So for them, they have billions of dollars. Some people, they have millions. Some people, they have billions of dollars. They don't want to risk their money in the market. Why they risk? But they create these softwares. And you might know, you go to YouTube, you go to Facebook, you go wherever we have groups and so, and you find someone advertising for software that you can put into your broker and just give it to money and sleep. But some beginners, because they are naive, what they do, they buy these softwares and they are very, very happy. They say, okay, here is what we call the Holy Grail. I have software, I put some money, it works for me, so I go to sleep. So I just go to the broker money, and I send it to the bank, and I take the money from the bank, and I go turning around the world and having vacations and but it is not true. That's why they are selling these softwares. If it makes money, why they should give it to you with $300? If they can make $50,000 or $100,000 a day, why they give it for $300 for you? So you understand? You understand that? So all the indicators, we have more than 300 indicators right now. All are strategies of traders. They have done them before. Most of them they don't work at all. Sometimes they work in small, according to what rules they put, because all are having rules. So now you ask me, Karim, I don't know how to make a strategy. I don't know how to make the rules. What should I do? Now, most of the beginners, what they do what we call hit or miss strategy. It means he begins just to buy and sell. He go to a YouTube. I say, oh, it's free. Oh, he has some good technique. I will try it. Okay. He goes to this one and he lose money. He goes pay someone else money. He lose money. He goes to his broker. He said it's free training. He do the free training. He lose money. And he lose. After many years, he will lose all his money in vain. So, in order to begin right, you should either learn from someone that you know, or you go to books with famous trader in the world, some of the biggest traders. They show you techniques and you try to begin with them. Even if you lose money, you should develop, you should see what's wrong. Why you use this, it doesn't work. What's wrong? Or you can, for example, come to me, you say, Karim, you have some strategies. For me, I don't only teach you the theory, but I teach you the practice, and you go to the trading account in silver subscription or golden subscription, and you see how I trade, why I buy, why I sell, what is the rules. So when you learn from me, this will be your basic strategy. But in the future, when you become more advanced student, you begin to change my rules, to add more rules, to delete other rules according to your personality. Okay? You change rules, you add rules, that's it. Okay? So this is one of the ways you can have the strategy. So as I told you, but the worst you can do is hit and miss a strategy. As I told you, I always give you this example because this example shows how people they don't know and they risk all their money trying, and when they lose their money, they try to learn right, but you lose all your money. Someone sent me an email. He has $45,000. When he has 5,000, it means he has lost $40,000 in penny stocks. And he sent me, oh, I want to be a good trader. How I double my money each week or each month. I say, where do you find this? You are still playing to double your money, Who tells you that you can double your money? If you have 45,000, you did not double your money in years. How can you double it in 1 week or 1 month? Who tells you this? Anyone who tells you this, okay, ask him or he teach you. I don't. You get the high percentage when you learn and you practice more and you have your own rules or some people other rules. Okay? So this is in general what I want to say about creating your own strategy. So I don't want to do a lot. At least I'm trying to be concise. I have made like 24 minutes right now. So I will go to your questions. And if you have guys, if you have questions, you should write them. You should write all your questions right now, because if you don't have, I will speak a little bit and then I will close this live. Okay. So Wise Man said, hello Karim, good evening. Good evening, Wise Man. Saba, yes, you are a best teacher. Thank you very much, Saba. Fabian, hello Fabian. Hope you are doing well, Fabian. And stay alone. Don't contact people. You have 14 days. And don't play too much with other people. Okay, stay alone. You know your situation. Okay, and hope everything will be okay with you, guy. Top series. Hello, Karim. Hello, top series. Saba said, I do day trading and it's very hard. Yes. Now, I was doing before day trading and it is too hard. You have to know about the companies in the morning. You have to be reading in the morning to see the news, to see the market, to see what's going on into the futures, to see some companies if they have news. So you have to work hard before even you trade. At 9:30 you should be prepared with your money, with your techniques, with your stocks, and just you begin. When 9:30 hits, you just begin to see the price and you begin to trade. So it is hard. That's why for me, I do swing trading. Okay, I search around 3 or 3:30. I find some stocks, I put them in the chart. I look at the stocks. According to my criteria, the best one, I buy it. Okay? But usually, always my account having stocks. Always. If sometimes in each week, I don't buy and I don't sell anything. Sometimes 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, all my stocks are doing good. I don't do anything. And then someone tells me, what do you do this week? I say nothing. What? Nothing? Why? Why you don't buy? I say I have already bought and I didn't sell. All my stocks are doing good. Why should I sell? It means they think that trading, you must trade each day or each week. Swing trading, no. Swing trading, you follow the trends. If the trend is good, you don't have to do nothing. Just watch. At the end of the day, like at 3:30, I just watch my stocks. What do they do in this day? I can go at 9:30, just see if there is something wrong or gap up or gap down or something wrong in the market. I can check, but for me, I don't waste my time. I just open my chart and see it. If it's okay, I don't care. I go at 3:30 or 3:44 just to check if my stocks are good. If they're good, that's okay for the day. So I don't work that much. That's why, Saba, I suggest to you that you change from day trading. If you want to stay day trading, you can check my training number 11 and 12. How to day trade with candlesticks, the easy way, and the second one, how to sell short a stock. You should know both, how to sell short and how to go long in day trading. Because some day is bad, is red, you should sell short in order to make the money. So you should know both ways, okay? Art Vikov, I haven't seen you for a long time, Art Vikov. Where have you been, man? Top series, Karim, what are your thoughts on algorithm trade placed by computers? Okay. Listen. This algorithm trading, you find movies about them. You find people who experiment things. Okay? These people, they try to use math. But I'm telling you something wrong. Something good in order to understand what's going on. Who moves the market? Is it markets or is it people? Now you tell me no. These billions of shares, it's people who move them. Mutual funds, hedge funds, traders all over the world. They move the stocks each day. So computers, yes, we have, but it doesn't mean that they make money, because the computer doesn't know what you think. So the computer algorithm, a trader gives the computer, it gives the strategy, because algorithm trading is based on strategies. It's the same. It's the same as if you have trading that it is not in algorithm. It's not put into a software. For example, I can put my strategies into a software, but I didn't. I can put them in software. I can sell it to Wall Street guys and say this is working, and see what I have made. And you can see my trades all over the years, and they can know that I know how to trade. They can take my strategies and they can do software, and they sell it and they give me some money. I can do that, but right now I didn't. So you understand? Now, Uber Forever, hi, Uber Forever, you pay attention to headlines as always. Now, headlines, what do you mean? It means you mean in the morning I see what's going on? No. Most of the time I don't see the news. Most of the time. Except when there is something that all the people know. For example, there is urgent news, or there is something. For me, I can check if there is a gap up, a gap down, or yes. But I am not a news guy. I don't follow news. I don't. Even the stocks, I know only symbols. Stocks that I buy and sell, most of the time, I don't see what is this company are making or doing. I see only the ticker, which is the symbol. Uber Forever said, you only talk about the buy. How about the opposite side? What do you mean by opposite side? Do you mean selling short? Yes, I can do selling short. I don't buy to go long, but I can do selling short, if this is your question, because I don't understand what you mean by you talk about the buy and you don't talk about the opposite side. If you talk about how I sell, I use a stop loss, either by physical order or by mental stop loss. Yes, I use that. Top Series said, do you manually increase the stop loss each time the stock moves and higher? Yes, but most of the time I am not worried about stop loss. I am worried about the trend. If the trend is good, I don't put stop loss. I don't. 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, 2 months, 6 months. If the stock is good, the trend is good. Now you ask me, how do you know that the trend is weak? Now, this is techniques that I use. I showed my guys in the subscription, golden subscription, silver subscription, and even the basic subscription. I told them how I feel not good about the stock, and I showed them what is the technique I use. Okay? So this is just to know that I am using rules. QW. Man, I just put your name, or put something like, you make me tired of saying this. What is your strategy? What is my strategy? What do you mean about what is my strategy? Do you want me to explain to you my strategy? To explain you my training? No. I don't train people for free in these sessions. No. So you can go to my subscription or go to my training. You find my strategy. But you know that. I think I have seen you here a long time ago. You watch my videos and you are always here. So you know that. Food Networks. Thank you very much, Food Networks, for coming, because I haven't seen you for a long time. TRVN stock. Check it out. I have seen this stock, but let me go and check, because I okay. Let me now go to chart. Okay. So let's go to the chart. Now, guys, look at this. He asked me to. He asked me TRVN, Food Networks. He asked me about this stock, so I will just check this stock. Okay, look at this stock. Now, this stock here, as you see, this section here, it was going up from the, it was an IPO. Trevina is an IPO because it's a new company in the stock market. You see the stock here, it begins with $1.55. It goes to $3.58. This is manipulation. And then the next day it collapses. This is a scam. Manipulation here. And then we have another manipulation here, another manipulation here. People, they play with this stock. Here we have small trend. Then it goes down until recently, you see. Until recently there is a trend. But I'm asking you the question. Have you bought from, like, let's say 49 or 65 or whatever? Have you bought from here from the beginning, or are you here? Okay, so from here, if we take this here, it's 51 cents. So the stock has gone 300%. But it depends where you have bought it or where you have bought it. Okay, so that's for this stock. Okay. Le Mans or Lee Mans, I don't know how it's pronounced. Where are you from? Okay. Originally, I am from Algeria, North Africa. If you know Algeria, it's the biggest country in surface in Africa. It's in the north. We have American companies that they work there for a long time. And it is a country when we have a lot of oil, a lot of gas, a lot of gold and other metals. This is Algeria. And we have dates. If you know fruit, we have dates. And we have some dates, the trees, date palm trees that we brought, that America brought here in the 19th century. Okay, so these are some information for you guys. Food Network said, how much have you made trading over the years of trading? Listen, how much I made, this is a personal question. But I can give you the first year. I begin with 18,000. I reach 62,000 in 6 months. This is my beginning. But before, I have about 12,000. I lost it all. I have only 2,000. It's just because I don't know how to trade. I don't have a strategy. I read books. I go to meetings. I go to this guy, do this. I go online. I go to seminars, but I find when I begin to study all these strategies, it doesn't make me money. So I made my own strategy and I succeeded. This is the first year. From that year, 2011 to now, it's another thing. Now, he made 0.1, it means 10 cents. Oh, that's good, Leman. Thank you very much for the information. You are my, what is it called? You are my CPA. Thank you very much. Okay. Le Mans. Okay. You understand Le Mans? I know that you are new here. You don't know me. You have never been you don't know me, and then all your I see what you are writing. For example, he makes money from teaching, not from trading. Okay. Could you tell us your strategy? How do you market your course? It means you come here, you don't believe that there is someone who is making money. You don't believe it. Now, I'm not telling you anything, because you are like other people who are, I have right now, my trades are in my subscription. You can go for 1 month, check these 3 or 4 months, what are the stocks I bought, when I bought them, each week, each day, I buy a stock, I make a video. Okay? So you begin to know my strategy, why I bought, why I sold, where I put my stop loss, and then you see each week the percentage from 0% to 63%. Okay? So if you are a real trader, you want to learn, you can learn. Second, I don't need your money. Okay? Since you don't believe in anything and you believe that other people, they are not, okay? And you say, why you are teaching? I teach because for me, at the beginning, I don't find someone who teach me. I lost all my money trying. Now, when I succeeded, you should pay for our training. There is no free lunch at the market. If you are in the stock market, in a greedy market, you don't know how to trade, you will lose thousands of dollars. You will lose all your money trying. Instead of seeing someone who is successful, you say, okay, you have been successful, show me. Show me how I will be successful like you. Show me how do you trade, how you make money. For me, I have a proof. And you can see it in months. Now, how do you market your courses? I don't market my as you can see, go to my channel. I have only 23,000 subscribers. Those subscribers, I give them always free stuff, free training from 2010 when I begin trading. But most of these guys that you see here, they are my students. And here, when they come here, we are just hanging out like friends. I am not teaching you here anything. I'm just trying to explain how things work. Okay? So, Le Mans, you have 2 things to do here. Either to listen, if you want to learn, you want to listen. To learn from me, you should respect the channel and respect me. If you are coming here to say, oh, what do you do? Your courses, your money, it means it's stupid. I will just delete you right now. Okay? So I will see what you have written. Sorry, I am not excited about your trading style as much I am excited by your marketing skills. I have no bad intention. You don't get my wrong, please. Okay. You have just said it. I am not excited about your trading style. I understand. You don't want my trading style? What are you doing here? And then you said, I am excited by your marketing skills. I don't do marketing skills and I don't put any money in marketing. That's why I have only 23,000 subscribers. If I market my thing and I show like the other people, the cars and the other stuff and the girls I will be having millions of subscribers right now. Okay? So I think you say I have no bad intention. No, you have. You explain it here clearly. You explain it. You say, oh, how do you market your courses? I'm not marketing here anything. All the people that you are seeing here, they are my students. We are just hanging out in YouTube. I can put them in a private Facebook and you will never see my training. But there are a lot of people that they follow me from Australia, from India, from Europe, from America, from Canada. Okay? And I have been teaching this for years, and the people, they know what I am doing because they took my training. And then at the end, you say, no, I have no bad. I am not teaching marketing here. Have I said marketing? Okay. No, you are not. You are not. Le Mans, you come with a bad idea, and guys like you, I don't like them here. So I'm just looking. If you put a wrong statement, and then I will delete you from my channel. Go see some guys who do free training, because what makes you calm is you want to see some free, because I don't know, because you are poor or you don't have money, or I don't know what's happened to you. So Le Mans, I'm not I'm just not going to waste my time. So either you learn from me. If you don't like what you see, go elsewhere. Okay? Yes. Wise men, I know like these people. I know. When I see his name, I understand that he is coming, and he's just he clearly shows what he wants here. But there is no problem. Now let's go and top series. Before I forgot, your thoughts on Viri. So let's go to the Viri. I'm sorry, guys, that I waste some time with this guy. But I will just, if he comes again, and if he speaks bad, I will kick his ass from here. So I will change Viri. Okay, it's the same stock, you see? Okay. So as you can see, guys, we have this stock Viri that top series asked me to see. As you can see, we have, okay, you see we have a trend here, and we have a very long downtrend, and then we have a very long trend, as you can see here. So the stock in the base or on the bottom, it was let's say it was $2. Now it is $16. Let's say here 2, and it means in April. So April, May, and 20 days of June. It means 2 months. 2 months and 20 days. So the stock has gone. So 16 from 216, it means 800% or more, 800%. But listen, first it is an IPO. It means a new company that goes to the stock market. Now, as you can see, it was going down for a long time, and then some people begin to buy. mostly are swing traders, and and the stock was doing good, and here it becomes very volatile because a lot of people, day traders, have found this stock here. So if you see from here to here, these days here, you find the volume is so high. It's just because people, day traders, are working here more and more. They like this kind of stocks that are small and volatile. Now, but here, a lot of day traders, they were just few, 200, for example, 1 million here, but here you see 1,700,000, 2 million. Okay, you will see that there is a big change. So in order to get like these stocks, you should buy from the beginning and buy from the bottom. My training that I have is training level 13. How to buy stocks from the support line. Okay, and it's a very difficult one. It's not easy. And when the stock is moving up, there is another strategy, which is strategy number 2. Okay, thank you very much for your question. You see how bad this guy is. So I'm just going to delete him. Let's see here. Hide user. Remove. Hide user. No. Okay. Let me take this guy from here because he's showing bad thing. So hide user on this. Okay. He will not be showing anything, and then I will remove all his stuff. Okay, at least we get rid of him. You know, understand that these guys, when they come to some people here, I will show you their psychology. At least you understand why these people are so furious when they come to some channels. Now, their aim is to find free stuff, free training, because they don't believe that they should pay for training. Okay, it means if he goes to let's say to university, they ask him to pay. Now he pays. When he go to the doctor, he pays. But when he comes to the stock market, he thinks that these things should be free. I don't know who tells him, although Wall Street tells him that there is no free lunch at the market. He knows that. But some people, they are like this, and most of these people, they don't have money to trade. Someone has 500, someone has 1,000, and they are looking for ways to make a lot of money without doing anything. That's why they are looking for tips and chips, and I don't know. So I just get rid of this person. So, okay. Let's see. Yes, Wiseman, there is no need. You say to him, Le man, all here are welcome as long as they willing to learn. But this guy is not willing to learn. He wants something free, but he will not get it. So, QW, do you know Arabic? Yes, I know Arabic, I know French. Wiseman said, Karim, he doesn't belong here. Yes, I know this. I know these guys. I just kicked him. Yes, I did also. I removed this guy from here. Pablo, Le Mans is like a fly that's doing go away. You know, it's not something bad to be poor or not to have money to trade. This is normal. Some people have money, but at least someone will be polite. If he asks you something, new information, or he wants to learn, he will be polite. When he is polite, I can help more when a guy is polite. But when he is not polite, I don't like that. Okay, let's go. Pablo said, how do we find a stock leader? Now, Pablo, I don't know if you don't have training level 3. I don't know. Pablo, I just give you the summary, but you should go to your training level 3, how to buy a stock or how to search for a stock using an industry index. It gives you the explanation and examples how to search for this, but it is manual. It means you should go to the chart, see stocks, and there is no search like searching number 2, how to search for stocks using stock screener. Now here there is no search. You should go and see training level 3. The leader is doing better than the index. That's it. But I can't explain more here because it's training. And if I explain the training here, it's not good enough. Fabian said, Kigleman's out. We don't want him here. Yes, I have already done. Thank you very much, Fabian. Zach Fry's music relaxation. So he is the same. He's doing advertisement here. So I hide the user. This is Zach. And then I remove him. It's the same guy, maybe he's the same, his friend or something like that. Now some people sometimes, some people are like stupid, Now why Pablo said, Wiseman, I know because I'm making money, so I don't know why that guy talking crazy. Yes, Pablo, I know these guys for many years. It is 1 out of 1 million. They come because they want something he doesn't find. He is frustrated and he go after you. That's it. So I know about this guy. Yes, I did Zach out. Okay, maybe it is his friend or he has another channel. I understand. QW said, أنا من السعودية وأحييك وودي أتعلم حتى لو بفلوس مستعد أدفع بارك الله فيك. Okay. يا أخينا من السعودية اكتب عبد الكريم رحمن. I will write my name and واتصل بي على الفيسبوك أو أبعث لي إيميل. ها هو الاسم تاعي. هذا اسمي في الفيسبوك. ابعث لي رسالة عبد الكريم رحمن. ابعث لي رسالة. Send me a message or you can use my email إذا حبيت. Okay. istockmoney@yahoo.com. ابعث لي send me an email if you want to. Rahmatullah, hello Kareem, thank you. Anonymous said, being attacked is a sign that you are important enough to be a target. These people are trolls. If you don't like the message, just exit the tube. Yes, I understand, Anonymous, but this is psychological. I have studied this kind of people like in trading. I have seen a lot like in the past, because the people, they want something free. When they see that you are teaching with money, they get frustrated. They say, why you are teaching with money? As if I am working for them for free. There is no one in America who is working for free to someone else. I am not a slave, and I am not having a church to do charity here. No, I don't. So he's mistaken only. Wiseman said, breaking stories, all trading experts agree based on technical experience that trading cannot be taught this way, and therefore Lehman has right in some points. Okay, listen, breaking stories. Breaking stories, I have the proof. You can go to my golden subscription or silver subscription. You see my trades from January, the day I bought the stock. I show you my strategy. There is no one online who is teaching. All the people they don't teach. They give you stocks. They say, okay, I made more money here, I made money here. But for me, you follow me. You find all the videos. It means that I can't lie about stocks. You understand? So breaking stories. If you want to know, take 1 month in golden subscription. Check my videos. Check my videos when I begin to trade in trading account from February. When I begin with $100,000, now I am at 163. Go and check by yourself. Do not tell me that trading experts agree that you can teach. I am teaching since 2014, and I have thousands of students. They succeed because I teach people how to trade for real. I don't ask you to stay with me 10 years and I don't give you how do I trade. All the people, they do that. So breaking stories. If you want to know, you should verify. Now, if you are looking at what the people say, it doesn't make any sense. And who are these trading experts? Since I am an expert in trading, in swing trading, who are they, these people? And they tell you can teach. So why you are here? Why you are in YouTube? Why you read thousands of books that are sold? Why? Why the people are selling books and selling courses? Why? If there is no one who is taking benefit. So you understand that you are wrong with your friend, or with you say some points, because I give you the proof and you still in theory. So the best way to see someone is doing good or bad is you verify by yourself. Don't let other people tell you what is right and what is wrong. You are not sucking your thumb. You are not a baby telling you what is good, what is bad, and how you can teach. Okay? So this is what I tell you, breaking stories. Gary Hart, trying to learn. Thank you very much, Gary, for your concern and the thing. That's why what I am doing is trying to explain. Okay, so I will take this. I have never seen these people like this. I don't know from where do they come. These guys, breaking news and the other. I don't know what's this. Today, I have a lot of enemies today. I don't know what happened. Pablo said, I don't understand why people talk as if they already did your study. No. Yes, I did. Today there are some guys. QQ, you say, على Twitter ممكن? No, I don't use Twitter. Twitter is for the public personalities that are very known, like politicians, they are very known. So I don't use Twitter. So send me an email, it is better. I send you the email. If you don't use Facebook, in Saudi Arabia, if there is no Facebook, try to use my email. Okay? Oh. So it is the same people. I see these guys like Yager. I think today they come here all with the same thing. It's strange today, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I am used to these people. Today they okay. Let's say no. I have just kicked this off. Wow, man! Today, what did happen today? What did happen? Today is some people are like yes, wise men, tough crowd today. Yes. I think there are some people who are sent by someone or they just frustrated because of coronavirus. Yes. Okay. Yes. A lot of people. I don't know from where these guys come, but it is strange. I have never seen this for years. But there is no problem. We can continue. Okay. Q. Please. You have only Twitter. If you have only Twitter, you don't use anything. Put your Twitter here. Put your Twitter account ID, and I will send you a Twitter. But I don't use Twitter that much. I have one, but I don't use it at all. Okay. Yes, thank you very much, Anonymous. Thank you very much. So, as I told you guys, yes, a lot of people today, I don't know what did happen with these people. Today is bad. Okay? Today is bad. So, as I told you, so QW, you can just send me an email and we can discuss this. As you might know, today a lot of people, they get frustrated, because they can't make it in trading. They traded all many years, and the Fed will continue to print money and the market will go up, right? Yes, it could be. The market is doing so good. So, Wall Street, when they work, it's not like the economy. So the economy, we have bad news as always, but these guys but these guys in Wall Street, the people, they still buy, and people will follow the price. Okay, so when you follow the price and you see everything is going up, so it's very good, and as you might know, no one knows where the prices are going. Okay? No one knows where the prices are going. That's why the market, I told you, is doing good, although we have bad news. Okay? انت ما عندك موقع في تويتر، ارسل لك على الخاص وترسل لي. ايه يا اخي، اسمع يا اخي، ابعث لي تويتر تاعك. ابعث لي تويتر تاعك and I will send you a message. ابعت لي وش اسمك في التويتر، لانني عارف ربما ما عندكم الفيسبوك في السعوديه. اوكي، ما كاين مشكل. Yes, it is always a rational market. Okay, so it will be all the same. Okay, so I don't use this thing like overvalue or valued thing. I don't use this because it is what we call something what we call oversold or overbought. It's another indicator, and as you know, I don't use these things in my trading. I don't use them, but understand that the market, the stock market, it is not the economy. The economy in America is bad. The companies are not working so good. Some companies they go bankruptcy. Some companies they stop. Some companies they laid off people. So it's a lot of stuff. Okay, it's a lot of stuff. Yes, like RSI indicator. All are indicators, and I told you. MACD, RSI, and other stuff, overbought, oversold, I don't know what is all this stuff. They are more than 300, and as I told you, I don't use them. I use only my rules, my criteria, and we do some stuff like this. Okay, so I don't use them. I don't use them. So I don't use them. Now to this today there is a lot of scammers here. They're coming. Pablo said, "What is RSI?" RSI it is an indicator like the other indicators, and it shows you exactly where to buy, where to sell, according to their strategy, and it is an indicator. You can find it in your chart. For me, I don't use it, and I have to check it. And the guys were I go once before, like many years ago when I was learning. I go to see this RSI when the people they demonstrate with numbers with thing. They show about this, but understand it's an indicator, and that's it. Okay. Raf West, what are you shorting? Now I'm not shorting anything. The market is good. Everything is doing excellent. So usually I don't short. I short only when the whole market is bad, and most of the time I'm going long, because most of the time the market is very good, except yes, there are no deals, but I can't find some stocks to short because there are some companies that they go bad because they lose business. You know, there are a lot of companies now that they stop working. A lot of restaurants, a lot of plants, farms, a lot of stuff. They are in hardship. That's why for me, that's why for me, I don't short for now. Top series, will mortgage rates fall below 3? Is it good to wait before refinancing? No. Top series. Top series. Understand that the interest rate that you see now is related to the 10-year treasury bond. So the more it goes down, the more the interest rate will fall down. I think now it is 0.63. If I find the thing, I will tell you. Let me see. Let me see if I can find some information. Let me see. Okay, can you see the thing about so as you can see here, the treasury yield 10 years, it's 0.697%. Okay, so this, it's the mortgage finance, the mortgage interest rate relies on this. The more it goes down, the more you have deals, because this is the money. How do they get money from the Federal Reserve? For example, a bank get the money at 0.69% and sell it to you at 3%. This is how they make the money. So the more this is going down, so let's see in 6 months. So in 6 months it was going down. If it continues to go down from now, okay, here it reach oh man, here it reach 0.20%. Oh man, here the day March 9 was the best day to ask for a finance. If you can get a 2% or 2.25, or you can get a better deal. But when it goes up, the interest rates, it will go up. So now it is down. Hope it will go down more and more. Hope it go more and more. So top series, you should check the 10 treasury year. Okay. Thank you very much, Gary Hart. Thank you very much. So if you want to refinance or to buy a home, you should see. Okay. You should see. The 10-year treasury bond. If it is going down, you can have a better thing. But understand that also you should have an excellent or good or very good what we call credit score. If you have bad credit score, they might not giving you any money. Okay, so understand that. So you should have a lot of stuff. Andrew, the RSI works amazing with support and resistance line and price action. Thank you very much for your information. But for me as a trader, I don't use it. I know it, but I don't use it. Anonymous, if you know the direction of a trade, is options trading a good idea? Yes, it is a good idea. But options, we have more risk because the calculations are not simple. They have a lot of calculations, and most of the time it's against the trader. So if you are going to trade options, try not to put too much money. At least if you lose the money, you are not losing too much. This is my suggestion. Please, Raf West, please just give me the symbol, because for me, I don't, because when you give me the names, it will be difficult for me to find it. So you should give me the symbol. You said MGM. I don't know if I got it before or so. So are you speaking about this MGM, which is a resort? It's nearly doing the same as the market. Is doing the same as the market. Why? Yes, MGM. MGM. I have showed it to you. It's not doing that much. WYNN. It's the same thing. As you can see, it's the same thing. They do the same. Not that much. Yes, I have shown you MGM and WYNN. They are the same. They are the same. Raf West, are you burping? No, I am not burping. I'm drinking coffee. LVS. This stock is doing bad. It's worse than the others that we have seen. Is doing worse. Oh, they are all casinos. Thank you very much, Simple Projects. Projects. Okay. Simple Projects. Hi Karim, it's being saying about scams, about what's your name is on the online news. Joe, can you tell? Go, how can you tell? Now, when it means to me, when I can tell, it means I see the chart and I see what's going on. Okay? So it means when I see the chart, according to my strategies, I see no, anonymous, no. Pablo is my friend and he is my student. Simple Project and Raf West, I don't know them. They are new here, and I don't know about them. So I don't know about them. So today is something crazy today. I don't know what's going on today. Okay, these guys they come at the same time. It means okay. Simple Projects, explain to me please, because I'm about to subscribe to you and I need to know before deciding. So what is the thing that you are asking about, Simple Projects? You can send me an email, okay, because here I'm not explaining anything. Send me an email and tell me what you are looking for. Those guys ruined my mind. Who are these? Simple projects. Just tell me what is it. What you are looking for. Don't rush to do anything. Take your time. Send me an email and ask me what you want. What are you looking for? That's it. In my subscription, you should go and check the subscription, what you get, and that's it. Okay. That's it. So, when I do with the stocks, okay? When I do stocks, okay. So, guys, when I review, the guys who are my students, they know what I am talking about because they know my strategies. They know how to trade. But other people's, they say to me, how do you know that these stocks are not good or are good? These guys, simple projects. I will explain very, very quick. Today, no. Listen, simple project. Simple project. Yeah, I am not here to answer all your question. You should go to my website, please. Okay? Go to my website and check and send me an email. Because you are asking me questions that you should read. So this is my website. And this is my email. Send me an email and we can discuss later. Try to check and ask questions. Okay? Don't decide... you say to me, I will decide right now. No, don't decide right now. Just go and check everything and ask questions. Okay? Please. Simple projects. Now, I will tell you, there are some people who come today. I have never seen them. They ask me about my strategies. I told them, okay, they are online. It's teaching. And they want it for free. So when they see it's not free, they become mad. That's the thing. Okay, that's the thing that I always see these people, but today I have seen 4 or 5 or 6 coming at the same time. Maybe they are friends. They are searching for free stuff online. Do you give any free trial? No, because if I give you a free trial, you learn about my strategies for free. So I don't give free things. And it is only 1 month. You have the whole month. You just subscribe for 1 month. You see my stocks. You see how I trade, how I think. If you like it, you stay. If you don't like it, that's it. Okay? So I'm not obliging you to stay or to do. Or you are not. You can unsubscribe at any moment. So I am not an entertainer. I am not an entertainer. It means. This is not a free subscription into watching movies. I don't show movies. It's a training. Okay? But you just see the website, see my website, check the subscription, click on subscription. There are 3 kinds of subscription. See what you get. Now, if you like it and you are having question, send me an email. I have put my email and my website. That's it. Because here I am not explaining my training here, okay? Could you please tell me? It is in the website. You don't know how to get to my website? I have sent you my website. You click on it. Simple projects. How old are you? Simple projects? You don't know to click on a website, a link? No. Anonymous. I have been doing live for many years. today it was a bit confusing. So some people, they I have never seen this before. Never. This is the first time. So simple projects. Simple projects. You are asking. You are 72-year-old. That's good. Okay, go to my website. If you don't know how to go to my website, you can't trade. If you don't know how to click on the link, how can you are here on YouTube and you have a channel and you come here to the live? How come? So simple projects, please send me an email. Send me an email or click to the thing and any payments that you like. Thank you very much, simple project. Now we have only 10 minutes. I usually you find it difficult? So I don't know. If you don't know how to buy something online, and I don't know what to do, it's very hard. Okay. Anonymous, yes. People when they can't get something for free, they are frustrated. These people, I have seen them for many years. No, don't use he is 12 years old, your sibling, and he has an account and he has a credit card. How is that? How this come? Okay, listen. Simple projects. Simple projects. Please. You are. I don't know who you are, but you are playing here. Okay. So please, simple projects. If you don't know, ask an adult. It's not a 12-year-old who show you how to use credit card. Okay. So he uses a 12-year-old account, and how can you use this 12-year-old account? Why don't you use your own? Do you meditate before trading? Ralph West, listen. I am not a charity monk here, having my what is it called, synagogue, or I don't know what is it, to teach people like meditation. I don't meditate. That's very very happy things today. I see a lot of colors today. I don't know why. So as I told you guys, so I have explained to you the how to make simple projects. Said you are entertaining us here. Yes, thank you very much. Sometimes I am not serious. I try to entertain people when they are funny. So I try to be funny also if I can. Okay. So guys, I have explained to you what is strategy and how can you make your own strategy and how can you trade. So guys, if you have other questions in the future, yes, listen. Simply projects. I think you are one of these guys because what you are saying a long time ago, I think you are one of them. One of these scammers that they come to my channel. Simple projects. Marketer? No, I am not. I'm not doing here marketing. So if you if you can't trade, you can't open an account, you can't use credit card, you can't do nothing. So why you are here? Okay. Now Ralph West, I'm not doing here Bitcoin. I'm doing stocks. Sometimes I have videos talking about Bitcoin. So if you are interested, you can check my channel. You can see them, some videos together. You can check this. You can check this thing about Bitcoin. I don't do Bitcoin. I do only stocks. So guys, it's 1:54. I think there is no much question about the subject of today. So guys, if you need me, as usual, you know my email, you know my website, and we will see. And we will see next week if things go well. We can do another another live about something else. So thank you very much.